Hello and welcome to our course on email marketing with Klaviyo for Shopify users. I'm thrilled to have you here and I can't wait to help you take your email marketing skills to the next level. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools for e-commerce growth. With Klaviyo and Shopify, you can build strong customer relationships, boost skills, and create personalized shopping experiences all on autopilot. In fact, we have seen our clients' revenue grow by 20 to 30% by leveraging the power of email marketing. And now, we want to help you do the same. In this course, I will guide you step by step through everything you need to know, whether you are completely new to email marketing or are looking to refine your skills. Here is what you can expect to learn. First, we'll start with the basics on how to set up and integrate Klaviyo with your Shopify store. Next, you will learn how to build your email list and segment your audiences for better targeting. I will show you how to design beautiful, effective email campaigns that convert. We will dive into automations, creating email flows like welcome series and cart abandonment. Then, we will cover advanced strategies including personalization and performance analytics. Finally, you will learn how to scale your email marketing efforts and maintain a successful strategy over time. Each video is short and to the point, lasting just 3 to 4 minutes so you can easily follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, everything is hands-on. You'll be applying what you learn as you go. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence and skills to create email marketing campaigns that drive real results for your Shopify store. Let's get started. Click on the next video and I'll see you there.